Look, it's coming! Right on time.
Perfect. Let's hope the motorcycles are still in one piece.
All right, here we go. Let's get them loaded safely.
Fingers crossed.
Howdy. You must be here for the motorcycles.
Hello. Yeah, that's right. 2 units.
Those are ours. But how do we get them out? They look wedged in there.
Good question. We don't roll them out by hand. It's too risky. We'll use the crane to lift them down safely.
Makes sense. I wouldn't want to scratch them before we even start.
Whoa! That feels sketchy. Is it really safe?
Happens every day. As long as the straps hold, you're golden.
It's swaying. That's not supposed to happen, right?
That's just the breeze giving it a little dance. Perfectly normal.
Relax. The bike looks steadier than you do.
Easy for you to say. If that thing drops, I'm the one fixing it. That was way too close. All right, let's tackle the next one. Fingers crossed it's a smooth ride this time. Yes! Both on the ground, still in one piece. I can breathe again.
You act like we just landed an airplane.
Honestly, he was louder than the crane.
You don't understand. I saw my whole life flash when that bike swung. Twice.
Relax, Drama King. They're safe.
Well, that's your delivery. I better get back before the next shipment arrives.
Wait, are you riding the crane?
Yep. Safety first. Ish.
Just don't fall.
Don't worry. I've done this 100 times. See you.
Some people just make everything look too easy.
And terrifying at the same time.
Finally, both bikes safe. My stomach's still flipping from that crane swing.
Relax. They're strapped down. Nothing's going anywhere.
Yep. And if anything happens, you're explaining it.
Fair enough. I won't speed.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tinyland's RC Studio. Thank you!